On this video we are doing a non-combat, non-practical technique. It's a bit of fun, it's a flow drill. You'll see what we mean, but have a go. Cameron's going to throw a nice lazy punch at me so I can see what's going on. I'm going to strike, he's going to block, and then I'm going to drop my stick, grab it, go for another strike. He's going to stop. So all we're doing is I'm just changing hands each time. But you can see why this would not be practical. But it's a good way to practice flows, changing your hands, but I wouldn't rely on it, try it or use it in any altercation whatsoever. What we're going to try now, because that was so useless, we're going to try moving with it as well. That one's coming in, so I'm moving. So as you can see, really, I should be. Yeah. As you can see, you end up not moving. But it's a good way just to flow. I can feel the attacks. It's not practical. I know I've said it before, but it's a little bit of fun. As always, we've had an idea. This is something we do with craft, but I'll do it first, then I'll explain it. So as we're going through, I'm doing this. What's going to happen is he goes for weapon fixation, and thank you very much. What a spectacular takedown. People get weapon fixated. That's what happens.
I didn't realise I was going before there.
I didn't realise you was going. Hang on, let's have a look.
Thanks for watching. We hope you like. Drop us a line down below.
As usual, please subscribe if you haven't done so already. Don't forget to ring the bell so you can get notifications, and don't forget to free the fit.